Welcome, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to adjust the vertical look settings to your own needs in Battlefield 6. Enjoy watching! So as first you should click on the gear icon here to open the settings. Now move to the gameplay tab, and here the first option will be invert all vertical look. You can switch it on or off, or you can use the custom one. All depends of your, of course, personal preferences. If you want to use a custom one, then you should get into the vertical look settings, click here, and you will be able to adjust such options for invert vertical look, such as infantry, vehicle driver, transport driver, aircraft look or aircraft flight, or look as a gunner. If you want to set up the invert look, vertical look for up down, then you should get into these settings and switch it on or off, depends of your needs, of course. That would be all for this video. I hope you like it, and leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!